Welcome to Garage Guru CSI. We are a team of expert technicians that investigates warranty claims. We handle everything from brake pads to spark plugs, determining whether claims are valid. On this occasion, the customer is having an issue with the rear brakes continually binding. Clearly there is an issue here. As you can see from the discoloration and the very heavy uneven wear to part of the brake shoe lining. There has obviously been a lot of incorrect contact between the components and a great deal of heat has been generated. Only one brake shoe has been affected, and the handbrake cable has too much tension in it. This shows that the cable has been over-tightened, causing the handbrake to be partly on, even when the driver thinks it has been released. Guru Tips are expert tips on how to avoid these issues. Be careful not to over-tighten the handbrake. Ensure there is adequate free movement for when the handbrake is applied. Normally, this is between 5 to 7 clicks on the handbrake lever. We have determined that the handbrake was over-tightened and caused the shoe to stick to the drum, even when the handbrake was not applied. The issue could have been easily avoided by tightening the handbrake to the correct tension. Therefore, the warranty claim is invalid. Make sure you come back to Garage Guru's CSI to see how we explain more warranty claims. We are Garage Gurus. Join our community. Follow us on social media. Thanks for watching this video. The video description contains all the relevant links. Don't hesitate to like, subscribe, and be notified when we post new content. Also, check out our Garage Gurus online course catalog.